Okay, I'm going to do a bird's eye view real quick. It's what I call it when I look over everything to see how things are going in the system and look for anything that might be missed. So I see that I have 27 leads entered in the system, and most of those are test leads because this is the practice workspace. I have one with no contact made, but all the information is there. So that needs to be updated, and I was probably playing with that and using that as an example. That needs to be on formulating offer. I have 20 with initial contact made and 7 over at formulating offer. My 7 that I'm formulating offer, I've got 3 that are red hot deals, 1 requested removal, and this one isn't marked, and it's finished, so I wonder if I was the one playing with that. Okay, asking 100,000, contact, asking 100,000, and we have the ARV at 200,000, so that would be red hot. In my criteria. All right, so I've got 4 hot leads. This one's not filled out. And let's see. Okay, on this one, she's asking 100,000, but she owes 95,000, willing to sell for payoff if needed. Okay, how are we already at the offer if we didn't have this filled out? Probably because we were. see if this is working yet. I'm not behind on taxes because the taxes are included in the payment. Where's my other option? Not on the list. All right, now let's go over to the cash offer. And all of that should have come in. Let's just check and see if everything's here. This is still not working. Let me pause this and go fix that. All right, let's go check that. Let's go back over here. That should have sent that over here. Average rent's right there. Okay, it works now. Okay, let's see. All that's in there and all that's correct. Seller lead notes didn't come over because it's right here on the situation. Okay. All right. 200,000. Asking price is 95. 50% discount. Let's change that to 60. Repairs 10,000. MAO is now 100,000 and she's asking 95, so this is perfect. All right, create basic offer. But we're not going to offer 100,000. We're going to offer 95,000. And instead of taking it over subject to, we'll just make a cash offer. Because if it's that good of a deal, should be no problem selling it. Now, if you are someone that takes things over subject to, then we have a different app for that. But this purpose of this demonstration is just for the cash offer. Let's change it to this company. All appliances, 45 days, 30-day inspection. Add the deadline of the 17th. Generate standard contract. Now this is going to create two contracts. This is my what I had before. This is just showing you that this is on a contract. During the beta testing, this feature is not available. Below is what will go on your contract, completely customized. I actually moved it above. But anyway, so this is all the information, and it could be completely customized to whatever you need. But I went ahead and created a sample contract. This is a sample only. It may not be used for anyone for any legal purchase or sale of any property. I didn't really want to do this, but in order for you to see how cool it is and how it actually works. And where in the hell is my seller's name? I know what happened. Let me pause this. Okay, I fixed that, and now it's finding the correct property research. So now it should work. So let's push the button again. Oh, let me look over the contract and see what else might be wrong. Okay, we got the address. We're missing the seller name here. There's the buyer. All appliances, $95,000. Da 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 da. Only what's bold and underlined is what comes in. 45 days. Oh, I forgot the inspection period. Well, this contract didn't have a place for the inspection period. I like to put an inspection period. Sellers, date agreed, buy. Okay, I got to figure out a way to get this on less pages because this is ended up being too long. It's probably due to the font. Okay. So let me change that. Okay, I made those changes, so let's go take one final look. I took off that other one, so now it's just making this one. Okay, there's our seller's name. I need to take this out, this big space. And that'll help that look better. Okay, now that's much better. Okay, so that's the sample of how it automatically creates the contract. So one button to push to create the contract if everything's been researched and everything's been entered like it's supposed to be. And that's it.